Hi, bread friends. It's me, Ellen, your crazy baker chick. You've never seen me in this room before. You might call it an office. It's where my computer is and my Cricut machine and my treadmill behind me. I call it my oasis because an office is where you do work and I do not work. So a lot of people have asked me for gluten-free recipes that also don't have dairy or egg or butter. So I have taken my gluten-free recipe and made it with oat milk and no egg and these they're called vegan buttery streaks at the like Planet Earth or Earth something. So they're vegan. They're probably just made with vegetable oil, but they're not margarine because margarine can take a little, have a little dairy. So I'm going to post the recipe. Now, I don't want to retype every single gluten-free recipe for this, but you can do anything that I've done gluten-free, like the cinnamon rolls, the rye bread, the cinnamon raisin, using this recipe as a base. So I'm not going to redo all of those, but just go on my website or on my YouTube channel and find the recipes for the gluten-free cinnamon raisin or the gluten-free cinnamon rolls or the gluten-free rye bread or the gluten-free focaccia. I think that's all of them. Or the white bread, which is, what this is, a basic bread. But you can just use this base recipe, but add those other things, and it should be fine. Okay, so I will link that recipe below. As you're looking at me on your screen, look just below the lower left corner and you should see the word more. And that's to expand the description of the video. And when you do that, you'll see that I wrote some more stuff in the description, like in this video, I show you blah, 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 blah. And then it'll have a nice blue link to the recipe. Okay? And I will... Sometimes it takes a minute for me to marry the video to the recipe on my website. So just if you watch this video and then go to the recipe and it's not quite there, come back 15 minutes later and it should be there. Bye.